Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Hoover Streamline Wet Dry Vac and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this vacuum not working properly, or if it seems to be bugging for one reason or another, a lot of times a hard reset will fix it, a factory reset will fix it. The other reason is if you just want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box in terms of all the settings and everything like that, we can go ahead and do that really simply. So what we're going to do is we want to have the vacuum turned off, and with the vacuum turned off, we're going to come in and we're going to press the plus button and the power button simultaneously for 5 seconds. Once we do that for 5 seconds, it'll pop us up with a little with some options on the screen, whether we want to proceed with the factory reset or not. So basically, we're going to use the minus button on here to toggle from the no to the yes, and then hit the plus sign to select it. At which point it will show that it's doing its little reset. We let it complete its process, at which point it will have it like it just came out of the box.